Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's kind of a mid-morning. It's just before 11 o'clock here Central. So kind of a midday recap here and talk about what the markets are doing and kind of just a building off of yesterday's video. Yesterday's video, I got a lot of feedback. So if you didn't get to see it, go and take a look at yesterday's video, guys, because I did a lot of talking about what I see in these stock index futures and in the crude. We're still in this sideways slop and chop on the crude. I'm saying if we get a break above, you should see a nice little pop here. But if we can get a nice little run here into this support, if we get a nice little run into this support, I do believe it has the ability to go ahead and break to the downside. And if that were the case, there is a lot of room for crude to move to the downside. So I'm still waiting here patiently, waiting for that break, waiting for that momentum. If we start to see that crude break to the downside, I'm going to go ahead and jump on board and go with it and look for some further downside opportunities here. If we get a pop to the upside, I will be cautiously looking to the long side from an intraday standpoint, getting up above some of these levels, above this previous swing high that we see here, around just around these, just below these 90, basically 99. So if we get up above the 99s, I'm going to start looking to the long side. If we break to the downside, I will probably get pretty aggressive here to the short side and looking for this to go ahead and gather up some momentum and blow right through these lows and looking further to the downside. Here on the S&Ps, holding, guys. We had a nice little drop in the overnight session, opened up, a little bit of a pullback, and now we're starting to get a little rally here in all the stock index futures. We're getting the volatility index to go ahead and fall off a little bit right now. So actually, as I speak right now, just for 11 o'clock, the volatility index is looking like it's starting to break down. So that's even going to add more of a push in these stock index futures to the upside. So if we can get a little rally into the close here, I see further move going into next week in the stock index futures. Now I'll just quickly, let me get that off the screen. That's my trading dome. But let's quickly go through the other stock index futures this Friday just to check on them and see the same thing here in the NASDAQ. Same thing here in the Dow. Dow's got a little bit more chop to deal with. Got to deal with these highs up here, but if we can get through them highs, another deal. If we get another rally, kind of like the crude rally to the downside, if we can get a Dow rally to the upside, you can see some further push there. And then on the Russell, same thing, guys. We have this high that we put in here, this sideways. A lot of people are calling this a bear flag, and it is a bear flag, but we're down near some support here. So if we can get this rally here, get this divergence to go ahead and work out, get a little pop to the upside, we can see some further follow through, and that volatility index will sell off some more as well. So if you guys have any questions about these videos, go ahead and email me, adam@directiontrader.com. If not, thanks for watching and have a good weekend. We'll see you in the video on Monday.